Hi guys, welcome to Greedy's Race and Resto. Thursday. Yeah, we've got 3 days. Today, tomorrow and Wednesday. Saturday. So, we get right into it. Yesterday, I fabbed up all the mounts for the oil coolers, power steer cooler, oil cooler. I have all the fittings now. Made a nice little shroud. Put the spoil fan on there. We have everything, all the wiring is going to go across the bottom row, and then the oil cooler lines are going to come out and they're going to come down and end up on those little bits of red tape. And see that? Check this out. That's a Camry filter. It's tiny, but that's what I'm running. I once seen a Camry that had done 7.5 years on one oil change. So the filter can't be that bad. Right, so this is where we're at. Wiring's all coming through the bulkhead. Hold on. Optima battery's ready. Now, we made a battery box yesterday. I made a battery box yesterday. So that's the extension for the Optima. It's like 3mm thick. I'm not worried about the thickness. I've given myself 3 centimetres above the battery terminals. Battery's 20 centimetres high to the tops, so I'll be 20.3 with that. And this is battery box, so that's my battery catch. I'm about to put a locator here. Yeah, I'm using I'm using steel checker plate. It's just what I had. Welds up there aren't the prettiest, but I didn't grind any mill scale, and that's what happens with the TIG. When you don't grind mill scale, is what happens here. When you do, you get a reasonable weld. When you don't, you get patchy shit. So yeah, it's pretty important. So that's nearly ready to go in the car. These bolts go through to the lower section behind the seat. I'll do a video tomorrow on that. Yeah, battery fits. So yeah, also did some headlight restoration, because we're not just putting this together for a show, we're putting this back together. So there's no point in doing anything twice. And this is where we're at. They'll come up real nice. This is the nicest set of headlights I had, but they're actually ready for some sealed beams. Somebody has converted them, which is very, very interesting. So yeah, headlights will be back in today. Oil cooler lines will be on today. I will pump oil pressure in. I'll pull the distributor out. Yesterday I also got valve lash done on the engine. So yeah, we're going to start cleaning the car. We have 3 days. Crazy, crazy shit. But it'll be at the club event on Sunday, running for anyone that wants to hear it. So yeah, it's taken time, but we'll be there. You have a lovely day. Thanks for watching.